Hi, have you ever faced difficulty speaking in English? Well, it happens to everyone, including me. To solve this problem, you need to work on your grammar. But unfortunately, grammar that we learn in our schools are not sufficient enough. So in our platform, we have bought you a course in English that makes you learn English easily. Because grammar is the foundations of any language, we have started this lesson from the lessons of grammar. With grammar, you can be effective speaker, you can write an essay, you can write an email, or you can speak fluently in English. So, in today's lessons, I'm going to give you an overview that what is that you are going to learn in our platform in grammar. We have divided it into two parts. One is an active voice and another is in passive voice. Again, the active voice is further divided as subjunctive mood and indicative mood. Indicative mood is something that we speak every day, and subjunctive mood is something from which we make our wishes, requests, or suggestions, or sometimes commands. For example, if you are using indicative mood to make a statement, let's say, he plays. He plays. Similarly, in subjunctive mood, it can be he play, she play. Why? Because it is a subjunctive mood. To know more about the course, you can go to our website www.vikrantacademy.org and you can choose a course from the drop-down menu which is in the language section, and from that language section you can select Modern English, and from that Modern English you can see the courses that we are offering in our platform. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach us out from the student link given on the website. If you are an educator, want to teach from a platform, you can go to our website once again and go to educators, and from educator, select the educators, fill out your names, details, and send it to us. We will reach out to you and we will have further questions with you in order for you to onboard as a team in Vikrant Academy. For today, that is it. If you have more questions, feel free to comment below